forget NMZ. Hashtag NMZ is not a jungle. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
BU. Bundu must be Bundu. Angafuni ukuba omunye umuntu.
Namhlanje is a send off part to UK. What the?
Sanbonani molweni, hello. Welcome to another exciting episode of Itrimon TV. Igama lam ndingubalungile Amlulamele Mbabala known as Amlu. Namhlanje silapha noBundandile Bundu nomvalo. We are here at the send off party at Unity Social Lounge. Sifuna sixoxele kabanzi into yokubana kwenzeka ntoni namhlanje. What is this send off party about? Bundandile namhlanje kuthiwa it's your UK send off party. Uthole itour UK ngomhla ka-30 next week. So please tell us bhuti wami usithathe nje through i-journey yakho of DJing. Uqale nini, uqale njani, ngubani uBundandile? For abantu abasekhaya abafuna ukwazi.
Igama lami nguAndile wanomvalo. Wakhona la mzimkhulu. Namhlanje sila Unity sowenza i-send off party. Le party kahle kahle iparty yokuvalelisa congratulate ukuthi ngithole itour UK next week ngomhla 30. uAndile umfana nje ngisuka khona la mzimkhulu. Uqala ukuDJ ngo-2013. DJ ngiqale ngo-2013 bengisafunda eClayston.
All right.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, umphethu hey yabona sikhula umusic iyona vele bekade ithanda. Yathi nebesithanda okunye thina sithanda ibhola but then yena he chose music.
Andile came while he was still young, so and he was a very disciplined guy, and that's like part of the brand. So he was doing things. It's okay, fine. This guy is uyazama. He's going, he's learning, he's growing, because he was growing. Like from when you start, you can never be like right on top. You grow. So Andile was showing growth, and at each time he kept on playing. So it's incredible, in fact, that he's reaching like the top. So Nje, he's done us proud. He's done us proud.
First and foremost, I'm so excited for Bundi. He's been doing this for some time now, yabo, and inspired nguye, and I want to wish him all the best, yabona. What's most important is consistency, yabo, abe consistent, and zoom to hold on to your dream, yabo. So yeah, I feel so happy nobalapa and be part of the event, yabo. Yeah.
Well, relationship-wise for music work, I go way back to Bundu esaseClayston. Sisamlandela. He was the only guy wayedlala deep house that was very, very, very deep. By then wayesafunda isikole. Then it happened, he grew up simmamela playing different music or unique selection of music around umzimkhulu. Beyikhona deep, but deep edlala uBundu was very unique. Then waphuma kwi-deep. He's the first guy who introduced electro house emzimkhulu. So we've been following with Bundu since then.
Indaba yakhe yokuDJya iqale kudala ngengikwazi kunyaka kodwa ke iwona umculo wakhe ohlukile eceleni yabo ongawufanisa no Black Coffee kanje yabo uthanda leya beat yakhona yabo so it's so different yabo Mr Bundu and une brand yakhe ethi Bundu yabo kumele simsupport ngalokho.
This event could have been somewhere. I mean, zikhona indawo ezinkulu bakhona Durban bakhona bani. Why is it here emzimkhulu eUnity?
Okay, the event is la ekhaya kakhulu lika Andile.
All right. Emabheleni.
Humble beginnings za Andile emabheleni Unity. If you notice, most of the time, like cast poster izinto apha Unity, we've got like good food, good music. Don't forget NMZ, hashtag NMZ is not a jungle. Not at all.
Ubuntu has given me a motivation yokuthi kule genre engiyidlalayo angiqhubeke nayo. And seeing a guy ebekade edlala around me eqhubeke phambili, it gives me a motivation ne spirit sokuthi whatever that I'm doing I must upgrade from whatever, even if not 10%. When I must give it 50% to make it 60. If I have 60, I must give it 40 to make it 100. So Bundu has been there. Ngiyithandile lento yakhe, but bengazi ukuthi nami ngoze ngigcine ngiyenza. Ngayithanda as a fan, but ngagcina sengiyicolleague yakhe.
Are you sending to him as umuntu ohambayo oye UK?
It's simple nje mfishane. Be you. Bundu must be Bundu. Angafuni ukuba omunye umuntu. Angafuni ukuba omunye umuntu oseyile ngaphandle. But he must be Bundu, the Bundu that we know. The Bundu that we enjoy. Ngicedile.
Namhlanje is a send off part to UK. What the? Yo siyabonga mfethu siyabonga. Yeah, siyabonga mfethu yeah. Sicela ukuthi uyosibeka lapha yana ilizwe lethu libeke phezulu. Ubeke umzimkhulu phezulu mfethu. Siyabonga mfethu, sithi uhambe kahle mfethu. Ubuye futhi uzositshela ukuthi bekunjani la uyakhona. Siyabonga.
Yeah, I just want to wish him all the best yabo. Into ayenzayo ndiyithanda ne because uBundu kwalapha emzimkhulu yabo. He could have taken the event, the send off ayenza mhlambe eDurban or Joburg yabona. So he decided to do it home yabo. And at home that's where you get the most support because walapha ukhulele apha waziwa apha yabo. So ndiyithanda into ayenzayo, he must keep up the good work lento ayenzayo yabo because inspiration nabantu balapha emzimkhulu. So nje I wish him all the best. I'm behind him all the way. Yeah, I'm happy for him. Yeah.
Njengoba ehamba eya UK simfisela konke okuhle a represent umzimkhulu singamolelani yabo singamolelani sabantu simfisele nje sonke konke okuhle uNkulunkulu umbhekile yabo singakhokha lokho simthandazise ahamba afike safe afike adlale angethuki abe olwabhundwa la emzimkhulu esimazi ayo South Africa sila emzimkhulu yabo as represent isizwe samanqolo ngiyabonga sisi.
Yeah, as abantu abatsha first and foremost you need to babe nephupho, have something obelieve kuyo ne, and then always look forward to bawe achieve lonto ne. Start small, it don't happen overnight nje, take your time yabo, do small up until you get to where you want to be. Yeah, some tracks the residents up here Unity, I'm always here every second week. Sometimes I go and set up in different places, but the corner we social media, ku Facebook it's Simtracks, and then ku Twitter it's Simtracks, na ku Instagram is Simtracks, Twitter is Simtracks SA, YouTube Simtracks SA, Twitter Simtracks nje uzonifumana.
We are sending you to UK usuka like emzimkhulu, I mean zilala umzimkhulu. So what are you saying kwabanye abantwana abafuna ukupursue ama dreams wabo nama careers in izinto ezifana noku DJ and stuff?
No, into engayi-advise nje kuma talent amancane oqala kubalekile isikole, italent alibaleki ukufunda baqhubeka baphusha ama-passion wabo. Anything is possible. Noba usuke emakhaya awuvinjelwa ukuthi usuke emakhaya. Uyasuka emakhaya but then uhamba umhlaba if uyakholelwa uyasebenza kanzima nento engayisho.
Okay, ubhuti Andile is saying only the sky is the limit. So ubhuti wami ndicela usithathe through usicacisele into yokubana how did you manage to like convince abazali bakho that this is going to work for you? I mean I'm a young woman but if ndinoxelelwa ngumntana wami in future into yokuba I want to be a DJ, I wouldn't take that serious, but I want to know into yokubana how was it ekhaya uqala lento, like how did you convince your parents?
No, mina ngizathi ngaba nenhlanhla cause la ngisuka khona abazali bami vele ngizathi khaya lomculo understand, so ngithe mangiqala babe supportive ngayona ndlela kuze wazofika la ba supportive ngayona ndlela, so into engayisho kanjalo.
All right, I've seen that you also have like Bundu and ngicela usithathe through sithola phi sikuthenga phi kutholakala nini kanjani?
Ngizothi ibhundi ehlukahlukene sisi. Into enginayo i-clothing, ama-beverages, ama-juice nama-still water. So yeah, siyazipusha khona ko-Facebook Bundu clothing isadinga izimpahla, Bundu beverages, naku-Instagram siyatholakala futhi yeah.
All right, okay. Bhuti wami ufuna ukuthini ebantwini, what message are you leaving to them? Because kukhona abantu abafuna ukuva abadinga uku-encourage. I mean there's a lot that is going on. I-country yethu is unstable, imisebenzi ayikho, abanye bafuna ukusebenzisa their God-given abilities. So sicela usicacisele usithathe through into yokubana uthini kwabo bantu abanjalo. What message are you giving them? Asebelahle ithemba but they want to pursue ama-careers wabo kuzinto ezifana nezi.
Into engayisho ngizophila, anything is possible. Akumele ulahle ithemba, mawusaphila nje kumele uvuke ekseni uphushe alokhu usukulama alokuphusha nje uthandaza uthemba uNkulunkulu ingenzeka. Yeah.
Okay, one more last question. Sikhalela ukwazi into yokubana njengoba ibizwa ngetho thina sazithole yasesikoleni ba you move from here you go to Durban isiwe koShaka Marenitin. Like izawuhamba njani ithini into yetho, what are you going to be doing? Sifumana njani, how do we see it?
Ngiqale ngichazele kwetho as ngu-DJ. Kahle ngingathola nenye promoter yakhona ngale UK yaseLondon. Then babe interested ngokwendlela engenzeka ama DJ, then but decide ukuthi bangitholela ama gigs kuma cities ehlukene khona e-UK.
Oh wow.
So yeah. Engayisho le.
All right, thank you so much bhuti wami. Namhlanje njengoba silapha sizobhiyoza ndifuna ukwazi ba accommodate kanjani umuntu ofana nami, accommodate kanjani ofana naye nomnye through umculo wakho.
Abafika bazohave fun nje. That's all I can say.
Siyabulela kakhulu. That was uBundu Andile Nomvalo. Ubhuti wethu esizomenzela namhlanje i-send off party uya ko UK emazweni.
Yeah.
Umajaca intombi kaMthuthuzeli uAmlu Mbabala igama lakhe uyabulela kakhulu ngento yokuba iDream On TV namhlanje ibe inxalenye yalomcimbi omhle kangaka. Bundu apho uya khona ufika usirepresente, uziphathe kakuhle, be disciplined, be focused, be the person of your own values. Kwande kukhanye kuvuleke, may you come with many opportunities azawukwazi into yokubana uplift even the people from our own communities. Siyabulela kakhulu iDream On TV ibikhona. We have witnessed the UK send off party.